everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to do a review on the Tidy Breeze cat box, as I am going to be changing the litter and cleaning the box, so I thought this would be a perfect time to actually look at what it looks like when I'm cleaning it and things like that. So you may see my cat come in to, I knew she would, the little camera because she loves it when I clean her box. So the first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to tell you I got this. It's the Litter Genie. It is, let's see, I know it's called the Litter Genie. Cat litter something or another on the top. But it has where you open and close it. This is where you open it and close it this way. And then you put it in and you open it like this. I use that for this because poop just stinks. So let's do it. So I'm going to open this up. This does come with its own scoop. So let me scoop out the poop. The only thing that I don't like necessarily about this scooping up the poop is that these little pellets go all over, and sometimes the poop doesn't always get covered in this stuff, and so it reminds me of picking up your own poop, and sometimes I gag, and the smell is horrid. So that's one of the things I do not like. But it's easy, and then I just go like this, and you could tell she pees there because there's pee on them. And then I clean this once every couple months because she's a small cat, so I don't always have to do that. Now this can go on the side here. I just put it usually up there. I also have this, comes with the Litter Genie. That's that. And then this is the part I don't like because it smells horrible. Seriously, it's a seriously absorbent cat pads. Now, I don't have to do this every week like people say. I do it every 2 weeks. And what I do is I put it on like this, and I'll show you. So I'm going to move this the genie thingy over. This is the part I do not like. And then I just roll. And so it's in a roll. Whew, thanks. And I roll it like this. And then I put it in the genie. And it does go down. Boom. This is clean. It doesn't stink. Okay. And then I put it on like this. Now the first week I go like this, and then I pick it up like so, and I flip it around for the second week. So I'm not having to do anything. Then I just make sure. I like the lid. The lid seems to be good. Now I'm going to check to see, because I've heard some people say that when they go like this, that they get cat urine all over. So I'm going to check and just see. And I'm going to put this right over here for now. Let's check and see if this has what they claim. There's no pee here. So that's good. No pee. So I keep on looking to make sure, because some people say that they get pee underneath, and I don't see any pee underneath. There you go. And then litter duty is done. And like I said, I go through these once every 2 weeks, once every 2 weeks I go through one, and you get 8 pads. So that is good. However, I just found out that they have some on Amazon that I'm going to get, and I think it's like $50 or $52 for 100 of them instead of 8. So that's what I'm going to do, and that would last for a long time. I want to go over the reason why we got this cat box. So my cat, we rescued her from a rescue in Texas, and she would, after a while of having her, because she was sick when we got her, she kept on throwing up and throwing up and throwing up. So we ended up going to the vet, going to the vet, going to the vet, and nothing was happening. They kept on saying the same thing over and over again. I don't know what it is, you know, whatever. So after looking on cat litters and things like that, I thought, well, maybe it's the cat litter, because she would come in, she would have weepy eyes. And I was like, well, maybe it's a cat litter. So I got this. I want to say this is the best investment I have made for one of my animals, and I 100% recommend it. The reason why I say is she no longer throws up, and what I think it was her cat litter, because she would, like I said, get weepy eyes, and she hasn't had any weepy eyes. She hasn't had anything. The only thing that I don't like about this is when she goes to the bathroom, you can smell it. And then you can smell, when you change the pad, you can smell the pee. However, people say that you can smell the pee if you leave it. But I leave my cat box, the pee pad, I just change it like week, and then I flip it over and do the other side, because she only pees on one side. And so people say, well, I can smell the urine. I cannot smell the urine at all. And I have the actual pee pad in there for 2 weeks at a time, and I don't smell anything. The only thing that I do smell is her poop, so we have to figure out what to do with that situation. But after she goes to the bathroom, and it, you know, we change it every day, but it doesn't just like stink the whole day. It just stinks when she goes to the bathroom. And then if she has a really stinky poop, then it might smell for a while, and then I just come over and I get my genie and I throw her poop in the genie, and I'm done. And like I said, it has this little area over here for this. It has this so you can open and close. Now you can tell where she goes to the bathroom over here. So sometimes I will, if it's really bad, I'll take some of these over here that have the pee. But even if I leave this with the pee in here, it still doesn't smell like urine. So I would completely 100% say that this is a 5-star in my book. I would like to try this with my rabbits. Now that would be fun to see. So that's what we'll probably end up doing sooner or later, is just getting one for the rabbits and seeing what it would be like with the rabbits. But yes, I would say that this is a 5-star. I hope this helps you figure out if this is the right litter box for you. I would say to get this litter box with the genie, because the genie, this is the genie, and I get this, and I put the two together, this and this, game changer, because then I don't always have to go out and do anything. I just put it all here every day. I put it in here, and it seems to be working great. So, as I said, I hope this helps you. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comment section below, and I will try to answer them as quickly as I see them. Thank you again for watching my channel and watching my videos, and have a great day, and I'll see you soon. And say, have a good day, Jenny. Say thank you for watching. Say thank you for watching. Yeah, say thank you for watching. And letting you see your poop box. Do they see your poop box? Huh? I love you. Have a great day, and I'll see you soon. See you in the next one. What? Am I changing your box? And then I just put it back. I'm putting it back your box. I'm putting it back, and voila.